manifested with you when you came out of Egypt, and my spirit remains among you. Do not fear. This is what the Lord Almighty says. In a little while, I will once more shake the heavens and the earth, the sea and the dry land. I will shake all nations. What is desired by all nations will come, and I will fill this house with glory, says the Lord Almighty. The silver is mine, and the gold is mine, declares the Lord Almighty. The glory of the present house will be greater than the glory of the former house, says the Lord Almighty. And in this place I will grant peace, declares the Lord Almighty. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Psalm 99. Psalm 99 on page 32. Psalm 99 on page 32.
Épître de Saint Paul Aux Colossiens chapitre 3, versets 12 à 17. Ainsi, puisque Dieu vous a choisi pour lui appartenir et qu'il vous aime, revêtez-vous d'ardente bonté, de bienveillance, d'humilité, de douceur et de patience. Supportez-vous les uns les autres, et si l'un de vous a quelque chose à reprocher à un autre, pardonnez-vous mutuellement. Le Seigneur vous a pardonné, vous aussi, pardonnez-vous de la même manière. Et par-dessous tout cela, revêtez-vous de l'amour qui est le lien par excellence. Que la paix instaurée par le Christ gouverne vos décisions, car c'est à cette paix que Dieu vous a appelé pour former un seul corps. Soyez reconnaissants. Que la parole du Christ réside au milieu de vous dans toute sa richesse. Qu'elle vous inspire une pleine sagesse pour vous instruire et vous avertir les uns les autres pour chanter à Dieu de tout votre cœur des psaumes, des hymnes et des cantiques inspirés par l'Esprit afin d'exprimer votre reconnaissance à Dieu. Dans tout ce que vous pouvez dire ou faire, agissez au nom du Seigneur Jésus en remerciant Dieu le Père par lui. Parole du Seigneur.
That was the epistle read by the Right Reverend Jacques Boston, Bishop, Co-Adjutor, Diocese of Guinea.
Our gradual hymn is hymn number 739. 739. Oh, it is hard to walk for God, on page 33.
Are we using this for the gospel or he has it's printed. Okay. It's printed. They use it
from the format.
Yes. But go check the servers.
It's just right for this event. Even inside the cathedral is not too warm or hot. You don't see people fanning so much. God has been good. He has put all the parts together to make this event worthy of the Son who has been called to this high service.
I will also add that the St. Mary Cathedral can accommodate up to about 350 worshippers. Extra spaces has been created in the cathedral hall and in the compound to also give opportunity for the other hundreds of worshippers and well-wishers who are attending the enthronement of Dr. Solomon Tilewa Johnson as the first Archbishop of the internal province of West Africa in the Church of the Province of West Africa and as 9th Primate and Metropolitan of the Church of the Province of West Africa, here at the Cathedral of St. Mary in Banjul, along Independence Drive in Banjul. Very soon, we'll be having the gospel. Meanwhile, we've seen in attendance here about